Hey guys, TommyBryson here, and today we're going to talk about why exactly spending money in a Lamborghini actually does make sense. Wait, I'm getting a call here, guys. 1 second. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm recording a video, man. What do you want? What do you want? Hey Tommy, it's your lawyer. I'm calling in today because you got to make an apology video because you're being sued by Grant Cardone and Dave Ramsey. Well, I just don't understand. Like, what exactly did I do to get sued by Dave Ramsey and Grant Cardone? I didn't do anything, okay? I didn't do anything. Well, Tommy, you did make those videos calling them a scam, calling Grant Cardone maybe not the smartest of the bunch, and you also made videos about companies calling those companies a scam. I did do that. Yeah, but those companies were scams. Grant Cardone is not the smartest guy out there, and Dave Ramsey, well, let's just leave it there. You know how Dave Ramsey is. Yeah, but here's what's gonna happen today, Tommy. If you don't make those videos, Grant Cardone, Dave Ramsey, and also his companies are going to file a class action lawsuit, and you will lose every single penny that you have. Well, that's all you had to say, okay? I'm gonna make that video right now. Don't worry about it. Tell Dave Ramsey, tell Grant Cardone, tell those companies I love them, and I'll get to work right now on it, okay? Okay. Hey guys, TommyBryson here, and honestly, I've had a big change of heart over the past 2 years of doing YouTube based on finance. Now, the main thing is this, guys. I've made videos that I'm honestly not that proud about. I'm saying this from the honest part of my heart. And the real thing is this, guys. You know, in this video, I want to apologize to Dave Ramsey, Grant Cardone, and also the companies that I made videos about, calling them a scam. I'm so sorry. And, you know, just do the thing, guys. So you guys subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. So the first person that I want to apologize to is Dave Ramsey. Everyone knows who Dave Ramsey is. Dave Ramsey is the king of YouTube when it comes to finance, and I love and abide by every single rule that Dave Ramsey does say. However, back in April, 11 months ago, I made a video about Dave Ramsey where I spoke about 3 reasons why I think he was a scam. But obviously, my heart has changed, and obviously, that video got a ton of love and support. Isn't it obvious? Like, I made the video, so he got a lot of love. It's obvious, okay? However, guys, I just want to say, you know, also 3 reasons why I think that Dave Ramsey was right and why I'm also issuing this apology. It's not because I'm going to get sued, okay? It's not because of any of that stuff. It's just because I've had I had a change of heart, okay? I had a change of heart. The first thing is this. Dave Ramsey, I want to say this officially by TommyBryson, which is me. I'm TommyBryson. I want to say this right now, and it's that Dave Ramsey, you were 100% right when you said that all debt is bad debt. And that's why I'm going to grab my credit cards. Here they are, right here. I have my credit cards right here. Every single one of them. And I am going to go ahead and I'm going to burn them, okay? So I haven't done it yet. But I will be burning them right after this video is over. I promise, okay? Same thing as this, guys. Dave, you were right about an emergency fund. When it comes to emergencies, you need to be prepared. And you predicted the entire problem that happened just now with everything that's going on. And I want to say I'm sorry. I should have listened and made an emergency fund for at least 2 decades, and that way I would be 100% safe. So I'm sorry about that also. You were 100% right about that also. I'm sorry, and you were right, Dave, okay? Lastly, credit card points are not good, okay? You're just gonna be poor by spending money on credit card points. Like, who needs them? Yes, I went on vacation last year for free because of credit card points, but who the heck cares, okay? The point is, credit cards are bad. Every single debt out there is bad, and Dave Ramsey is 100% correct. So, yeah. Sorry, Dave Ramsey. Wait, I'm getting a text right now. Okay, so you have to say the apology just like this. Okay, so I want to say, guys, right here. Okay, so I want to say, guys, sorry, Dave Ramsey. My name is TommyBryson. I'm sorry about the video that I made on April 11th of 2019. That video's information was not completely accurate, and this is coming from the heart and not from me being told that I'm gonna get sued. So apology has been sent out to Dave Ramsey. Now let's move on to Grant Cardone. Everyone knows that Grant Cardone is the king of real estate when it comes to YouTube and the entire planet. He's bigger than the president. He's bigger than everyone out there when it comes to real estate. So a week ago, I made a video about Grant Cardone where I basically said that he has to be stopped. And that video obviously got a lot of love by you guys, but I want to say that everyone that liked the video, go back and dislike the video, because you guys are very bad people. Because you dislike that, because you liked that video, you should have disliked it, because again, Grant Cardone is the best one out there. Now, I'm sorry, Grant Cardone, about everything I said in that video. The first thing is that, you know, your sales tactics are the best out there. Let me see, mention that the fish thing. Okay, that your sales tactics are the best out there. When I went to actually, you know, deliver fish to people, the first thing that I said is, hey, I got fish, you want some fish? They said yes. I sold them the fish, okay? And sometimes I would come by with some water. I got water, you want water? Everybody, you know, I sold everything. So Grant Cardone, I would 100% verify that all his courses on sales, well, you don't really need them. All you need to do is just go up there and be like, hey, I got fish. No follow-up after that. I got fish. You're good to go. Second thing is this, the stock market. Grant Cardone warned me 2 years ago. He said, Tommy, the stock market is bad. I said it wasn't, but I was wrong. And although I made a lot of money, I get paid dividends every single 3 months. Grant Cardone said I should liquefy all my assets. So I haven't done it yet. Guys, but I am going to go on my Robinhood app later today after the video is done, obviously, and I am going to sell all my stocks, all my assets, because stocks are bad, and I'm going to put it into Cardone Capital, because that is where you make real money. 6% every single so often when they ever have money and they're not running out of cash. Okay, just want to say that. And lastly, I want to say that Grant, you're right about the jet. Is definitely a good expense, and that's why I went out there and I also got myself a jet. However, I won't show it in this video right here, but just know I got a jet too, Grant Cardone. And you're right about the expense. It makes a lot of sense when it comes to taxes, and it's not really a liability, because again, I do use it every few months to sell that and so on. Okay, so Grant Cardone, you're right about the jet. So here's my official statement that's coming from the heart when it comes to Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone, on last week, I made a video about you based on 3 scams that you actually did, and they were proven. However, I do want to apologize for it. And Grant Cardone, you got fish is the best sales tactics that has been invented since the very beginning of sales and everything finance. Okay, that is coming from the heart, sincerely. Now, lastly, I want to issue out a last apology here to all of my subscribers. I made over 50 videos calling several companies, several gurus, and several other people out there scams. Although I only came with facts, those facts were proven. However, I still want to apologize for them. And I also wanted to apologize for my cheap personality, and that's why I've actually joined forces. If you haven't seen Graham Stephan's latest video, you need to watch it, okay? Because he convinced me also, Grant Cardone and also Dave Ramsey, all mixed together, actually convinced me to go out there and spend some of my wealth. And here's why. I've had a very cheap personality for a very long time, but that part of me is over and it's done. And that's why I've taken initiative to actually collaborate with Grant Cardone, Graham Stephan, and Dave Ramsey. And I went ahead, guys, and I will be making investments. Well, I'm liquefying my Grant Cardone told me to liquefy basically my retirement fund and all my stocks, and I did that. So now that all my stocks are liquefied and I just have cash on hand, although I lost like 22%, doesn't matter, don't worry about that. But I have all this cash, so I will be buying a very big house with 5 bedrooms, although I don't know who's gonna live there with me. On top of that, I did buy a Lamborghini, and on top of that, you know that Urus back there, it's not just a picture, I actually have it outside. I won't show you in this video, but just know that I have it. And lastly, I bought 2 Teslas, and I also bought, you know, the jets, which I won't show in this video, but just know I bought it. And guys, that's basically it. But before I go, I just want to say one last thing. I sincerely apologize to all of you guys. And on top of that, I am also going to be donating $10 because I just want to show you guys that although I will be spending money on a Lamborghini, a brand new house, and also 2 Teslas, that I still do have a heart okay? And yes, I will deduct it from my taxes, okay? I don't care what you have to say, but the point is, I will be donating $10 to the Grant Cardone Foundation, and no, I'm not a part of the board over there, okay? So there you go. Guys, that's basically it for this video, but before I go, I do want to wish you guys a happy April 1st, which is also April Fools, okay? There is no way I will be ever apologizing based on facts. If I'm ever wrong, I'll apologize, but until this very day, everything I've said has been proven only based on facts. So Dave Ramsey, I'm still keeping my credit cards. Grant Cardone, I'm not selling my stocks. And Graham Stephan, I am not joining you with your Lamborghini. So if you haven't watched if you haven't watched Graham's video, his new video, go ahead, I'm gonna link it down below and go watch it. This guy just bought literally a Lamborghini, a brand new mansion, and I think things are getting difficult at home with him, okay? But that's none of my business. Go watch the video and find out for yourself. As always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video right here, like it, subscribe, and watch another video. Here it is, and click this face right here to see what happens. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace. Yeah, I made the video. We're good now.